Everybody, welcome back to Jimmy's Promo, and today I want to do a quick 5-minute update on just a couple different cryptocurrencies. I want to talk really quick about Bitcoin as well as Helium. Now, you guys are here on the channel Jimmy's Promo. You know me for my Samsung technology videos. So here we are using the Galaxy Chromebook 2 using Samsung tech to make you guys some money and just know a little bit of what's going on. Like this right here, is this something that we have already seen in the past, and how much further can this go if it decides to? So first off, let me first talk about what happened in the past, how far down it went. So if you take the measuring tool, this is something that's really not unheard of. This is something that is just normal. From before, from our previous high, we did drop down right around 25, close to 26%. Now, as of right now, we are not anywhere close to 26%. We did hit off of this previous Fibonacci level. Now, this Fibonacci level that it just hit off of right here, if we were just to get in just a little bit more, you can see it hit off of the level just basically perfect, sitting right there. Earlier, this one did serve as a resistance. It's also served as a support in the past, but let's just take a look at how far down it has gone already and where it could go. So how about we head over to this measuring tool just to see if this drop is done. But the only thing I do want to mention is that you really can't, project the future based on history, but the history does give you a really good template of what could happen. So we did have a drop of 16% already. It could go down if it wants to and decides to another 10 more percentage. Now, really where we're looking at is we're going to be taking a look, let's see, this level right over inside this area here. So it can go right below this 50-day moving average. So this right here is the 20-day moving average. This is what you always want to hit before it really likes to bounce off for it to be healthy. You can also go right off of the 50-day moving average. That's healthy as well. So I believe we can go anywhere between 50 and 47,000. So if it wants to come up in this area here, that is actually normal. So if you're looking to purchase anything, I would feel comfortable buying here just because this is a fib level. There's no guarantee that it could come down here, but just get ready that it could actually come down to this levels here again between 47,000 and 50,000, just to kind of touch on this fixed 50-day moving average. So this right here is nothing new. This is not anything out of the ordinary. The last time that we fell out of this blue channel, you can see that this blue channel has gone for quite some time. It fell its 26%. Then we created a brand new blue channel. Now we're just going to fall out again and again. Once we reclaim and we create these newer highs, right now this is creating a new lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Once we can go past this and it goes beyond these lower highs, then we'll be heading easily up into the 67,000 range, which will be going past 62,000 first. And then now heading inside of Helium, this is a video that I just shot just a couple days ago talking about where this could go. Now I shot the video when we were right up over here. So originally, with all my past videos, I was stating that we were in this blue channel, and it looks like we are about to go above and beyond this more aggressive trend line, and we did go above the trend line there. This is the more moderate trend line, this white line here, but I did make a blue channel because it did seem that we were inside of there. Now, as I shot the video, when we were sitting right here, you can see when you scroll down, anytime I make a yellow line, which means it's going to retrace back to there, I create this right there, letting people know in the video, get ready for it to come down to this level here. It got close to it, it went up, and because it didn't really fully retrace, this is where we kind of got this big fallback. And so also in that video later on, I mentioned in the shortcomings, basically in the micro situation, we will be coming and retracing here, which we did actually hit it right on this day right over here. But I also mentioned in the video later on a macro vision, going back and looking at this larger image here, that I would much rather see it come down to this 20-day moving average, and that is where we are sitting right now. So it came directly down to the 20-day moving average. So this is where I think it's about to go, is right here in between this 662 and 653 range. If it comes inside of here, then this is going to be exactly normal. And also too, if it does go down a little bit below this fixed 20-day moving average, again, that is also normal, because usually anytime that it's hit the 20-day moving average, that is where it shot up. So right here, you can see hit 20-day moving average. It went all the way up. It just kept going up and up and up. It was blue sky territory. It just kept going up and up and up. Here was the retracement level. Here was another retracement level. This was the other retracement level. So you can see that it's hit the retracement levels basically every single time. And again, all the way back down to the 20-day moving average. So again, I was comfortable purchasing in here. And in that video, I mentioned if it came down to the 20-day moving average, then I would buy more, which is exactly what I did just a little bit ago. Purchased more once it hit the 20-day moving average. So you might be asking yourself, okay, where is this about to go? So now that we have done a healthy correction back to the fixed 20-day moving average, it could actually stay down here for a little bit. If it goes between, you know, the last retracement level and then this fib level, or if it wants to play between this fib level and this last retracement level, it can play inside of here if it wants to for a couple days, then shoot up to the 1056, 1081 area, get us back inside of this blue channel. And once we are inside that blue channel, then we're gonna easily see basically 1439. Now, I did say in the video, I was hoping that we would be hitting this 1056 range on March 26th or March 27th. So we can still see if that is the case. It just depends if this is gonna stay down here for a couple days or shoot up instantly. Again, you can never really tell because none of us really has a crystal ball. But I hope you guys have liked this video. It's just a fast little, quick little update for Bitcoin and Helium. Mostly all the other ones are also down as well. Again, it's just doing a little healthy retracement. So this is normal. This is actually what I liked to see. And I'm actually super happy that we are finally now on this 20-day moving average, just because it's been several days that we were just in blue sky territory. And now that we've came down, you can stay here or shoot up. Then we'll be able to be right back up over here and singing our happy days. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe right over here on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.